R144 ribbon microphone. It's one of the most affordable ribbon microphone you can find. There it is. You have the shock mount. What else we have? We have here let's look at the paperwork that comes with it. Oh, they personalize it. Thanks, you're in mood. All right, the paperwork that comes with it. Thanks, Johan. Okay. What's that? WES, smiley face. Thanks, Johan. WES, I don't know what that is. Somebody tell me, what does that mean? What do you think? So we have that. We have here a sticker from Front in Audio. More microphones you can find from them. Tube microphone. What else? Condenser microphone. All right, there you have it. One of the most affordable ribbon microphone you can find.